Good morning, dear students. This is Gurmeet Kalra, your English teacher. I hope you all are fine and healthy. Students, please take care of your health as well as your family. Do some physical activities as well as eat healthy food for take caring of this disease. So, in this video, I'm going to explain you about a letter. What is letter? How to write a letter and what is the importance of letter. Letter. Letter writing is very important and interesting. Letter. Do you know in the ancient time people use only letter for communication. Letter is a simple way to communicate or to express your feeling and all things. In the ancient time people use only letter because they don't have any other thing for communication, just like nowadays we have internet, phone by which we can communicate. But that time letter was very interesting, and writing letter is such a lovely thing because in the letter you can express limit of things, and this is a very beautiful way to just express your concern, emotion, or communicate with people. I think nowadays you also use letter to communicate yourself, as I know very well that all you are using that in indirect way, just like WhatsApp messages or email, but use a paper letter because this is very interesting and you will definitely enjoy to write a letter. Class, one more thing, letter is not just for communication. Letter is very important also because the way of letter you can give your information to other pupils in professionally or in officially way. Nowadays letter is also in process, just like in the bank you have to write a letter, so it is very important also in the bank or in the school. If you want to take some leave or you want to tell something to your class teacher or principal, or if you want to post something in the newspaper or magazine, so letter is very important to send to the editor of the magazine or newspaper. So letter is very important. So now in this video I'm going to explain you how to write a letter and what is the correct way to write a letter. See, writing letter is not just write your words and all things. You have to write clearly, or you have to express each and everything, and you have to learn the way to write a letter. So let's know how to write a letter. Letter writing is very interesting. I have already explained you, and important. A letter is a kind of communication. Is a kind of communication by which you can express your feelings, requirements, and all things. Class, do you know letter are of two types? One is formal and another one is informal. I know very well that all you have heard this word before this video, but do you know the short trick of that formal and informal letter difference? Do you know what is the difference between formal and informal letter? Formal letters are the ones that are written for formal pupils like officers, school principal, booksellers, magazine editors, newspaper editors, class teachers, etc. And informal letters are the one written to our friends, relatives, father, mother, friends, brothers, sisters, okay, etc. So formal letters. In this video I am going to give you a secret short trick to know the difference of formal letters and informal letters. See, formal letter is kind of formality, and we will do formality with those pupils which are not really known to us or which are strangers. So formality, memorize that word. Formal means a kind of formality, and informal is just opposite to that. It means for informal pupils, for informal letters, we do not want to do formalities. Okay, now know how to write a letter and what is the correct way to write the letter. See, one thing is very important in the writing letter: address and the format. You should or you have to write everything in left hand side. Means you have to write all things in left hand side. Use the correct gapping of that letter, because writing letter is to express your body language or express your writing language. So you have to use the correct form, or you have to use the correct way to write a letter. Formal letters. In the formal letters, firstly, I am going to explain you step by step by which you can know where you have to write the thing. In formal letters, firstly you have to write the sender address, then date, recent date, okay, then receiving address, receiver address, then subject. What subject? Not no need to write the subject like English, Hindi, science. Subject means what is a topic to writing a letter. Okay, why you are writing a letter, this is okay. After that, salutation word like respectfully, respectfully, by respect, by due respect, or all dear, all things. But mainly in the formal letters, you have to use the respectfully word or respected. After that, the main body of the letter. In first paragraph, introduce yourself and mention the reason. In the first paragraph, you have to write yourself and reason why you are writing this letter. In the second paragraph, give the detail of that reason. Means why you are writing this letter, what is the importance of this letter, and why you want to tell this information to that particular person. In the third paragraph, mention conclusion and solution. After writing that importance of that letter, just write the conclusion and the solution of that of the letter, of the problem. After that, you have to write the complimentary closing words, okay. After that, thanking you, and after that, your sincerely. You can also use your sincerely. You can also use some other words like faithfully or your obediently. After that, write your name. After completing these all process, your formal letter is ready to deliver. Now, after that, I am going to explain you informal letters. Informal letters are for those we do not want to do some extra formalities. But address is very important. Because of the address, the particular person know where to send the address. Okay. So, address, sender address, then date is also very compulsory. Salutation word, dear, lovely, etc. Okay. Body of the letter. In the first paragraph, ask for well-being of the person. In the first paragraph, you have to concern, you have to ask something, all you are well or not. After that, in the second paragraph, the main reason to write a letter, why you are writing that letter. In the commonly in concerning with friend is more importantly asking the help and all things, or want some thing or borrow something, okay. After that, completing second paragraph. In third paragraph, conclusion and end of the letter. After that, write the conclusion and the ending words of the letter. After that, thanking you, you're lovely. You can use also sincerely, obediently words according to the person. If you are concerning with your father, mother, or some elder person, you can use sincerely or obediently, faithfully. Or if you are concerning your mother and all, mother, friends or cousins, you can use your lovely. According to the person, you can use these words or change these words. Okay, class, I've already explained you what is letter. In the ancient time, how can we write a letter or posting the letters? In recently, we use email, WhatsApp or fax by delivering the letter or by writing the letters. And I have already explained you the types of letters, importance of letters, the format of formal letter and the format of informal letter. So after these all things, I am closing the video. I hope you all get the video or get the language clearly. So goodbye everyone, have a nice day, stay healthy. I'm again saying you, stay healthy, do some physical activities as well as eat healthy, take care of yourself, your health, and as well as your family. Thank you. Have a nice day everyone. Goodbye.